One area that we get questions around, be it working with prospects or working with clients or actually building operating systems for companies, is hey, I'm using Asana and I've got a lot of capabilities that I've built out there with projects and tasks and automations, etc. Can your system do X? Or how do we do Y, for instance, in your system using Notion that we typically do in Asana? So we spent about 2 minutes going out and having our research assistant, who is called Scout, to write up a comprehensive guide about Asana. And I'll walk through that in just a moment, but you can see the research that's happening here now in the chat and what the guide actually covers. So 12 sections covering what Asana is, its core feature set, its capabilities from an AI perspective, head-to-head comparison, what it does better, what Notion does better, what neither does well, and some questions to help frame the conversation. And then here you can see that we're asking our agentic system, which is called Vision, to make changes into multiple roles around this particular guide, making sure that this guide is stitched in to be able to accessible for these various roles, and routing this also in our dispatch table so that as we ask questions, for instance, from a sales perspective or from a client perspective, that this resource guide is triggered and available in the right areas. And then, of course, you can see here we do a closed loop just to take any feedback or iterations on these building type processes, incorporate that into an improvement log so the system self-heals and self-corrects. And lastly, we wanted to go ahead and make an announcement to the team. So we just kicked off the Vision, our main role, and had it draft the announcement here. It built out the announcement guide, the announcement itself with the guides, being able to mention this now to the entire team and let everybody know from a sales perspective, marketing perspective, implementation perspective, account management perspective, that this is all here. And then once ready to go, we just alert it that it's ready to post, and then the guide is made available. So here is the guide itself. You can see it incredibly comprehensive, covering a lot of different items, for instance, around Asana. Very quickly, what we'll do is we'll just set up a scheduled agent that will run once a month. It will go out and it will do a check to ensure that any of this that has changed, it will make updates here. So this is always a living document and nothing ever needs to change or be done manually on our side. And then you can now see the announcement itself going out. It's been converted from draft to published, and here it is. So ready to go. All again done within just a few minutes.